Jared here once again with Big Pine Sports. The fun never ends here on the new Double X. We're just getting ready to install the Rugged Radios car-to-car system. Very impressed as I open it up. Of course, everything's packaged beautifully. You know exactly what you're getting. The mounting plate, I think they did a phenomenal job with it. Let me just walk around here and show you. Here on the Double X, the center console does look a little bit plain. They've done that with a lot of amazing things in the future. Mine there, one is installing this bad boy. There's already switches pre-wired for this as well that's behind that mount plate. Very excited to get this car-to-car system installed on the new Double X. We decided on this one to go with the new Alpha Base headsets. These things are so light, you can hardly even feel them. They're carbon fiber and not only very good looking, but very lightweight. So look for an update on the car-to-car system. Of course, on the intercom, you got 2 to 4 persons, music, Bluetooth, all that fun jazz. It's going to be a nice little project for us to do tonight here at the shop. Super excited to get this thing out and play a little more. Was going to go take it out tonight, go up Dry Creek or something like that, but it's so stinking cold out here in central Utah. Decided to pull it in the shop tonight and get some more stuff put on it. So stay tuned.